Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 12 from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today we discuss the component of a vector in a space. Let us suppose that a point P whose coordinates x, y, z. Let us suppose that a point P whose coordinates x, y, z with the position vector with a position vector OP with a position vector OP as shown in the figure, and I, j and k are a unit vector along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Let us suppose that D is a foot of perpendicular. D is a foot of perpendicular from P on the plane x, o, y. Let us suppose that D is a point which is foot of perpendicular from the point P on the plane x, o, y. Clear? Show the figure PD is parallel to z-axis. PD is parallel to z-axis and dp vector dp equal to vector OC, and that's equal to zk cap. So PD is parallel to the z-axis and vector dp equal to vector OC, and that's equal to zk. Clear? Now similarly AD, vector AD is equal to vector AD is parallel to the OY and that's vector AD is equal to yj cap and equal to vector OB, and vector OA is equal to xi cap. So the vector OP is equal to the vector OP is equal to the vector OD plus vector OD plus vector DP, and vector OP is equal to vector OA plus vector OA plus vector AD plus vector DP, and vector OA xi cap, vector AD yj cap plus vector DP zk cap. This is the vector OP. This is the vector OP. this representation of any vector is called a component of vector in space. This is the representation of any vector is called to the component of vector in space. X, y and z are scalar component, so xi, yj and zk are the vector component. So the modulus of vector OP equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. The modulus of vector OP equal to the under root x square plus y square plus z square. This is the component of vector in space. Clear? Now, next is the vector joining 2 points. Vector joining 2 points. Let us suppose that A x1 y1 z1, A x1 y1 z1, and B x2 y2 z2. Let A x1 y1 z1 and B x2 y2 z2 and any vector in space. Now the vector joining 2 points A and B is the vector AB. Vector joining 2 points is the vector AB. Now the vector AB equal to position vector of vector B minus position vector of vector A. Now equal to vector AB equal to x2 I plus y2j plus z2k I cap, j cap and k cap minus x1i y1j cap plus z1 k cap just equal to so x2 minus x1i plus y2 minus y1j plus z2 minus z1k z1k. This is the vector AB. This is the vector AB, and the modulus of vector AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. This is the modulus of a vector AB. This is the modulus of a vector AB. Clear? Okay. So next is the section formula. Section formula internally. Section formula internally. Clear? Let A and B be the position. Let A and B be 2 points with their position vector A and B. Let A and B be 2 points represented by a position vector, vector A and vector B, with respect to the origin vector O. Now let OP, vector OP equal to vector R. Let vector OP equal to vector R, and P divides AB into the M ratio N. So AP ratio PB equal to M ratio N. M ratio N. Then AP upon PB equal to M upon N. AP equal to AP position vector of vector P minus position vector of vector A, and vector R minus vector A, and PB position vector of B minus position vector of P. So vector B minus vector R. So therefore R vector R minus vector A upon vector b minus vector r is equal to m upon n. M upon n. Now cross multiply vector mb minus m vector r is equal to n vector r minus n vector a. So m vector b plus n vector a is equal to m vector r plus n vector r, and vector r as a common m plus n. So vector r is equal to m vector b plus n vector a upon m plus n. This is the section formula. This is the section formula of internally. If a vector p divide the vector ab in the ratio m ratio n, if ratio externally then vector r equal to m vector b minus n vector a upon m minus n. M minus n. Clear? Okay, thank you.